Hello everyone, welcome to WinRaise Academy. This is Vinay. Welcome to the mobile testing series. In today's video, we'll focus on cross-platform compatibility, a crucial aspect of mobile app testing. With the ever-growing variety of devices and operating systems, ensuring that your app works seamlessly across platforms like iOS, Android, and even web environments is essential. In this video, we'll explore the challenges of cross-platform testing, tools that simplify the process, and best practices to deliver a consistent user experience. Let's dive in. Cross-platform compatibility means ensuring that your app behaves consistently across different platforms, including iOS, Android, and sometimes web environments. This involves testing your app on various operating systems, screen sizes, and hardware configurations. Whether your app is a native build, a hybrid app, or built with frameworks like Flutter or React Native, achieving compatibility is key to providing a seamless user experience. Cross-platform compatibility is critical for reaching a larger audience. Supporting both Android and iOS ensures that your app can cater to a diverse user base. A consistent user experience builds trust and encourages engagement. On the other hand, platform-specific bugs or inconsistent functionality can lead to poor reviews and high uninstall rates. By focusing on compatibility, you ensure that your app maintains a strong reputation across all platforms. Cross-platform testing presents unique challenges. For example, iOS and Android have distinct UI/UX guidelines such as navigation patterns and gestures. Failing to align with these guidelines can lead to a poor user experience. Platform-specific APIs and hardware dependencies add another layer of complexity. For Android, fragmentation is a major concern, with hundreds of devices running different OS versions. Emerging platforms like wearables and foldables introduce even more variables. These challenges make cross-platform testing both essential and complex. Several tools simplify cross-platform testing. Appium is a versatile framework for automating tests across Android and iOS. BrowserStack and Source Labs allow you to test your app on real devices across platforms. Detox is great for React Native apps, offering end-to-end testing capabilities. For Flutter apps, Flutter DevTools provides debugging and profiling tools specifically designed for the framework. These tools streamline the testing process and ensure broad compatibility. Cross-platform UI testing is critical for maintaining a consistent look and feel. Start by using a design system that enforces uniform branding and UI components across platforms. Test your layouts for responsiveness, ensuring they adapt seamlessly to different screen sizes and resolutions. Tools like AppliTools automate visual testing, detecting inconsistencies in UI elements and layouts across devices. Performance is a key aspect of cross-platform testing. Start by measuring load times and responsiveness on both iOS and Android devices. Monitor memory and CPU usage to ensure the app doesn't strain system resources. Battery efficiency is especially important for apps used over long sessions, like games or productivity tools. Cross-platform testing must validate performance metrics to ensure a smooth and efficient experience for all users. Cross-platform testing often stumbles when platform-specific behaviors are overlooked. For instance, iOS and Android handle gestures and navigation differently, and failing to account for these differences can frustrate users. Testing solely on emulators is another common mistake. Physical devices provide a more accurate reflection of real-world conditions. Lastly, ignore market-specific devices or configurations at your peril. What works on a flagship device might fail on a budget smartphone. To ensure cross-platform compatibility, follow these best practices. Prioritize devices and OS versions based on market share to focus on the most impactful platforms. Test core functionalities like login, navigation, and payments on all platforms early in the development cycle. Automate repetitive tasks using tools like Appium or Sauce Labs to save time and resources. Finally, regularly update your tests to keep pace with evolving platforms and devices. In conclusion, cross platform compatibility is vital for reaching a broad audience and maintaining user trust. While challenges like fragmentation and platform specific behaviors exist, they can be overcome with the right tools and best practices. By investing in thorough cross platform testing, you ensure that your app delivers a consistent and enjoyable experience for all users. Thank you for watching this video in our mobile testing series. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights.